Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying BitLocker is present and you have admin rights. This matters because recovery keys live with the protector. Once done, note the Dell service tag and sign into the Microsoft account tied to the machine. Next, open an elevated command prompt. Type Manage BDE Protectors GetC and press Enter. This command lists protector ID. Pay attention to the 8-digit recovery password ID string. You will use that exact ID when searching Microsoft or your organization's. Once you've run the initial command, switch to PowerShell for a clearer layout, run Get BitLocker Volume, and inspect key protector entries. You'll see a key protector GUID and the recovery password ID. Copy these exactly, including hyphens. Make sure to compare the ID shown in Manage BDE and PowerShell. They must match. If the device is Azure AD joined, also check the device object in Azure AD or Intune where the recovery key ID is stored, because enterprises often escrow keys centrally for recovery. You now take the recorded recovery password ID and search the Microsoft account device's BitLocker keys page or in Azure AD/Intune's device recovery keys. When located, verify the 48-digit recovery key corresponds to the ID you copied, then paste it exactly to unlock the drive. If you can't find a match, make sure the service tag and account are correct, and contact your IT admin or Dell support. Provide proof of ownership. They can guide next steps or verify escrow configurations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.